Day 20 of the 2026 reset. Blood sugar spikes from carb-heavy breakfasts cause mid-morning crashes and procrastination. Switch to high-protein starts to keep energy steady, sharpen focus, and make tasks feel less overwhelming. Let's stabilize your day from the first meal. Target 25 to 40 grams protein within 60 minutes of waking, eggs plus spinach, Greek yogurt with berries and seeds, cottage cheese with avocado, or a quick shake with whey/plant protein. Keep carbs low, fiber-rich veggies, or small fruit portion only. High-protein meals slow digestion, prevent insulin spikes, and support steady amino acid delivery to the brain. Research shows this improves concentration, reduces cravings, and enhances executive function. Fewer energy dips mean less avoidance and more consistent action. High-protein mornings eliminated my 10 a.m. crashes and boosted daily output. Comment protein, and I'll DM you 5 quick recipes under 10 minutes. Let's fuel 2026 right.